Put a frog in a vessel of water and start heating the water. As the temperature of the water rises, the frog is able to adjust its body temperature accordingly. The frog keeps on adjusting with the increase in temperature. Just when the water is about to reach boiling point, the frog is not able to adjust anymore. At that point, the frog decides to jump out. The frog tries to jump, but is unable to do so, because it lost all its strength in adjusting with the water temperature. Very soon, the frog dies. What killed the frog? Many of us would say the boiling water. But the truth is, its inability to decide when it had to jump out killed it. We all need to adjust with people and situations, but we need to be sure when we need to move on. There are times when we need to face a situation and take appropriate actions. Fight for it, and do it with all honesty and sincerity. On the other side, if you are 100% sure that the environment is beyond control, leave your ego, quit, and move on. If we allow people to exploit us physically, emotionally, financially, or mentally, they will continue to do so. Let us decide when to jump. Let's jump while we still have the strength.